In this video, you'll learn how to use the lead portal. Send out an application link to a prospective customer, track their progress, and get in touch if they're stalled along the way. See what customers could qualify for in just a few simple steps using the scenario inquiry tool for prospecting. Email application links to your entire customer database by doing a bulk list upload of individual email addresses. Sending an application link to a customer. When you're ready to send the HELOC application to your customer, simply log in to the lead portal and click on Generate New Lead. Type in the customer's information. You'll see the referral link that you can share with your customer, and your customer will receive an email with the dedicated link. That will enable them to get started with the application process. Once your customer's application is in progress, you can monitor the status here in the lead portal. By going to the details page, you can view important information about your customer, such as FICO score, AVM, number of liens, LTV, and more. View documents that your customer sees, and you can filter to see customers that meet specific criteria. Using the scenario inquiry tool. See what customers could qualify for in just a few simple steps. Send multiple applications at the same time with a bulk email generation. If you have a CSV file of customer data, you can send a mass email out to all of your borrowers quickly and easily. Visit figure.com/leadportal to get started.